Hola amigos, welcome back to the Spanish Spot, where learning Spanish is fun and easy. Today, we're learning the parts of the body, las partes del cuerpo. Let's get started. Let's start with the head. In Spanish, we say la cabeza. Now let's move to the face, la cara. In the head, we have hair, which in Spanish is called el pelo or el cabello. We also have las cejas, our eyebrows, and las pestañas, our eyelashes. On your face, you have your eyes, los ojos, your nose, la nariz, and your mouth, la boca. Next, we have the arms, los brazos, and your hands, las manos. On your hand, you have fingers, los dedos. Don't forget your shoulders, los hombros, and your back, la espalda. Now let's talk about the lower body. Your legs are las piernas and your knees, las rodillas. Your feet are los pies, and your toes are los dedos de los pies. Let's review quickly. Repeat after me, or just listen and point to the body part when you hear it. La cabeza, la cara, los ojos, la nariz, la boca, los brazos, las manos, los dedos, los hombros, las piernas, los pies, las rodillas. Now you know how to name the body parts in Spanish. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Spanish Spot, and keep learning with us. Hasta la próxima, amigos.